In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom thumbnail to Loom Video. A strong thumbnail instantly tells viewers what your video is about and makes your shared links look polished and professional. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside Loom and share a few quick tips so your thumbnail looks great everywhere it appears. Start by opening Loom and heading to your home area, often labeled For You. This is where you land after signing in, and it's the easiest place to jump to your videos. From here, move into your library. The library view neatly lists your recordings, making it simple to find the one you want to update. Select the video you'd like to change. Clicking into the video opens its player page, where you can manage settings without leaving the screen. Look for settings, typically represented by a gear icon or a button labeled Settings. Open that panel to see options specific to this video. Within the settings, find the section called Video Thumbnail. This is where you control the image that appears in previews and when your link is shared. Choose Add to begin uploading your custom image. You have two convenient options. If the file is handy on your desktop, simply drag and drop it into the upload area. If it's stored elsewhere, click Browse to locate it on your computer. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution JPG or PNG that reflects the video's topic. Avoid busy backgrounds and make sure any text is large enough to read in small previews. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see tools to fine-tune how it appears. Click and drag to reposition the subject so the focal point sits nicely in frame. Use the zoom controls to move in or out until everything important is clearly visible. Keep key elements centered and away from the edges to prevent awkward cropping on different devices. When it looks right, click Save. Loom will set this as the video's thumbnail. The change usually applies immediately on the video page, and it should update anywhere the link is shared. If you don't see it right away in a preview, give it a moment or refresh the page while caches update. That's all there is to it. Open Loom, go to your library, pick your video, open settings, add your image in the video thumbnail section, adjust the framing, and save. With a thoughtful thumbnail, your Loom videos will stand out, look intentional, and earn more clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your next video.